What it do, gang? It's your boy Two-Time Moto TV, and we're back with another video, guys. Yesterday we changed the hub assembly or the bearings on this here 2004 Crown Victoria on 30s. Guys, I want to tell you that they made a complete difference. For any of you guys that's having any kind of steering wheel shake, you guys might want to look at your bearings. You may not hear any kind of roaring noise, or you may not think that your bearings are bad, but they could possibly be bad. If you got any kind of performance or big rims on your Panther platform, you might want to start there. Check everything dealing with your suspension, but mine was my wheel bearings. I got zero shaking the steering wheel. It's not pulling left or right, but I'm going to go and get an alignment anyway to make sure that everything is 100% good to go and I'm not gonna have uneven wear on my tires. So I did find a shop that do alignments on big rims, and it is Perryman's Automotive, and I'm headed there right now. And everything with the car dealing with the suspension should be buttoned up, guys. Also, I'm supposed to get this car dyno tuned on May the 20th, so you guys stay tuned with the channel. Make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. I may get it done sooner than that. I have to find another reputable shop, but I did find one, but they so booked up right now, they aren't gonna be able to get to me to May the 20th, which kind of hurt my feelings. But I'm just like, you know what? Good things come to those who wait, so I'm gonna definitely wait on this. I'm gonna take it easy on the car till then. I can tell that it's running kind of rough. It needs a proper tune for all the mods and upgrades that we done to the car thus far. But if I can pan out every other little thing, like I said, such as this alignment, the steering wheel shaking everything, then that's what we're doing. So you guys stay tuned, man. We on the way to the shop right now. We in this thing. Want me to hop out? All right, man.
Yeah, she ain't gonna what year? Hell, I can't scan the bumper. What year is it?
04.
Yeah, there it is. I carry it on me all the
time. All right, y'all, we in here about to get it aligned. Just drove it up on the rim. That thing gonna have enough on it?
I hope so. We fixing to find it.
We fixing to find out.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that look like that'll work with two of them on there.
I get all the way up there.
Hey guys, first shop I done came to that said that they can do big rims, man. Like, I don't know, I done looked everywhere. I done spoke to everybody. Nobody else want to do it. Nobody else can do it. It's not that they don't want to, it's just that they can't do it. But these guys got the equipment to do it. As you guys seen that he just put that longer arm on that, whatever you call that thing, that wheel aligner. Two long arms on that joint, man. That thing like he can do probably up to 34s. Yes, sir. Amen to that.
Thank you, sir.
Hey gang, for anybody out there that's riding big rims, don't let a shop tell you that they can't do it. They probably just don't want to, or they just don't have the necessary tools and equipment. Pretty embarrassing on their part. If they do alignments and stuff, they should have necessary tools and equipment. They got it to do big trucks and stuff, but they ain't got it to do big rims. I mean, come on now. These guys got it all. They got all the tools necessary, and they get me right, yo. So hopefully by the time that we get the car down, driving around a little bit, man, we'll see a huge difference. Especially, man, these tires are like $800 and some for all four, man, and I don't want to have to keep going through tires because it's wearing off on one side and the other. And so that's what this alignment gonna take care of. Well, it's gonna get me in a ballpark to where the longevity of the tires will last a lot longer. So they got everything hooked up, got it hooked up to the machine. He said that the alignment was pretty bad off, so he's gonna get me right though, guys. Boy's getting me right. Alright gang, so we back at the casa. Just came from getting the Vic line. Man, she drives amazing. I haven't had this car drive like this ever since I had rims on it for 10 or 11 years, man. First time I've gotten a true alignment on rims. Even when I had the 26s, shops was telling me that they couldn't do it because the rims was too big. Even when I had the 28s, I got it string aligned from a truck shop that do suspension work for trucks and stuff. So the guy basically just pulled the string, which he didn't really align my camber or really do a true alignment by the computer that will let you know and put you in a certain degree. So this shop, man, got me right. I got zero shake in the steering wheel. I even took it on the highway. No shake at all in the steering wheel, no pulling. She drives amazing. The only thing I gotta do now is get the car tuned, some paint, a wrap, and redo the rims, because you can see the scuffs around the rims and stuff. There's still a lot more to do with the car, but at least the drivability of the car is superb besides the tune. So guys, make sure y'all stay tuned for the car getting tuned on May the 20th. It may be before that if I can find another shop. I'm thinking about taking it to Charlotte, North Carolina, and getting it tuned there, because them guys do some reputable work, and I just keep hearing guys say, man, go to Charlotte, go to Charlotte, go to Charlotte. But the guys that I'm getting or trying to get the work done or trying to get the tune done is local, and them guys are booked all the way up till like May the 20th. And a few guys been telling me about them as well, but not as many as going to Charlotte, North Carolina. So man, hopefully y'all enjoyed the video. Just know that if you guys are riding big rims, big tires on trucks, cars, just find that right shop, because they do have the necessary tools and equipment to do it. A lot of shops don't, some shops do. Don't let them tell you that it cannot be aligned or it cannot be done, because any and everything is possible. So yeah guys, with that being said, two-time Moto TV out, and until next time, peace.